Hello, my name is Angelica Sarache, and I have to say thank you, Major, for giving me the opportunity to express my opinion about how to make my city a more secure place. Well, I think you should take into account three important elements. First of all, improve the lightings. Dark places increase criminal activities. So I consider this is a very important element to take into account in order to improve the security of any city. Number two, you should hire more policies. If you could build more police stations and people could see more policies in the street, they would feel more secure. And in the last place, but not less important, I think you must involve all the community. If people feel part of the security of their city, I'm sure they could collaborate in all the aspects that help to improve these important aspects. They could work with the police and they could observe and report any suspicious activity. And I'm sure these three elements could improve the security of our city. Okay, thank you so much for listening to me, and I hope you to like my opinion. Bye bye.